Hello students, welcome to one more session for the lab practicals. Today, in today's video, we will understand the instrument which is called as substance bar and how we can find out the distance by using the substance bar. Okay, so today's experiment, let us say this experiment number 5. Distance by substance bar method. Students, substance bar is an instrument like this, which consists of a square pipe, of length say 2 meter to 3 meter. Suppose it is 2 meter. At the center we have to keep the stand. At both the ends we are having targets, say target A and target B. And just like dumpy level, we have to keep this particular hollow square pipe on the stand which is at the center, and point target A and target B are the important parts. Now here, if suppose this is the center, from the center and on this particular perpendicular line which I have drawn, we have to keep the theodolite. Suppose here we have to keep the theodolite, and from the theodolite we have to measure this angle. Means suppose this is angle you are say theta, and if I say this station is O, then AOB is by angle. AOB is to be measured. So on station O we have to keep the theodolite. On at say A and B, these are the targets that we have to find out these angles. Only thing is what? Your substance bar and this line of your instrument should make an angle of 90 degree, exactly 90 degree. The formula to calculate the distance from this instrumentation to the substance bar, say it is capital D. Capital D is equal to, capital D will be equal to S upon 2 cot alpha upon 2. S upon 2 into cot, you can say theta upon 2, where S is nothing but the distance between two targets, target A and target B, and theta is nothing but the angle. If your ground is having undulations or it is having slope, then we can go for the substance bar. This is again one of the method where we are eliminating the distance measuring instrument like tape or a chain. In this case, just we have to go for this substance bar, and we have to keep the theodolite at special port. Okay, so this is the small introduction of today's experiment. We will go on the field, we will take the measurements, and then I will give you the observations, and you have to calculate this distance by using the formula D is equal to S upon 2 into cot of theta upon 2, whereas S is your distance between target A and target B, theta is your angle between two targets A and B. Okay students, so let us go on the field. Okay.
Hello second year. The instrument that you can see in front of you, it is the substance bar. It is the substance bar. It is, we can revolve it like by using a dumpy level, just like dumpy level we can revolve it. As I said, this instrument will consist of this triangular portion. This triangular portion we can say this is target A, and another triangular portion will be at this station, say this is station B. Now you can see this is the arrangement that we can used to bring the bubble exactly at the center. So we are trying to bring the bubble exactly at the center, and this is the alidade. This is the alidade which will tell us whether the instrument is exactly in a perpendicular position with the theodolite. So I will be showing you the theodolite from this angle. So I will be keeping this instrument, and in front of it you can see there is a the theodolite. So like this we have to adjust it in such a way that this point, this point, this point and the theodolite, these three should be in a single straight line. This will ensure us that this substance bar, which is horizontal, and this line should be exactly perpendicular. Okay, so our aim is what? Our aim is to find out the angle from theodolite to, say, this is point A, say that is your point B. Okay, second year. So that is only thing. But before going for the angle, we will measure the distance, sir. So from A to B we have to measure the distance. Here, in line. Okay, so likewise we have to measure the distance in terms of meter. So you can see it is 2 meters. You can see it is 2 meters. Okay.
Hello students, we have just came from the field observation in which we have measured this theta, where theta is 8 degrees and 40 minutes, and this S distance from two targets A and B, this is exactly 2 meters. So we will take S is equal to 2 meters. So second year, substitute these two values in this formula and to calculate what is D. This D is nothing but the distance from this substance bar to this station, instrument station O. Substance bar again is one of the instruments by using which we can find out this horizontal distance by eliminating the tail or a chain. Okay, second year. So I will be giving you the PDF for the particular writer, and you have to write it down in your own notebook. Okay, so I will be stopping for this session. Thank you, second year.